What a load of fucking crap. I'm not editing all that shit out from SUMMERSMASH. What the fuck? Here's the real video. Hey nigga, if you ain't know what AAO right now, get with it, bitch.
Get him, get him.
Flex up, niggas next up, Jeff Hardy. I'm gnarly, I've been getting hoes since I Carly. The Melio, Charlie's on my hands, they be ready. No,
They're running back.
Piece of shit, motherfucker, son of a bitch, hope he dies.
Alright, who am I here with?
Leah, Isla, Lydia,
Who am I here with?
I'm DJ. Okay, who am I here with?
Michaela,
Who are you guys excited to see today?
Lil Uzi, Chief and Uzi. Yeah.
Okay.
Lil Uzi. Alright, I'm here to see Chief Keef.
Today I'm really excited to see Sosa in Sexy Red. Sosa, G Herbo.
I'm here to see Lucki.
I can't even see Uzi, man. Lil Uzi.
I'm here to see Lucki.
What is one thing you want to say to your ex right now?
You're really weird. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Dang it, we can run it back.
She's a running back. She said they can run it back. You fuck with? You miss him?
I know, I'm just kidding.
And one thing about my ex is low-key a bunch of free alcohol, so W.
Free alcohol?
Yeah, W.
How?
W.
It's a
She just
W?
buy me alcohol.
She just buy you alcohol and that's it?
An asshole.
Asshole?
And what? One more to me. Asshole, piece of shit, motherfucker, son of a bitch, hope he dies.
Wow, okay, so both of y'all exes is pieces of shit?
Yeah, basically.
And something about my ex is probably really chopped.
Chopped?
Yeah, dated for a year and a half.
Wait,
Yeah.
okay, so rate him like 1 to 10. How?
Like 2.
A 2? Oh, you gotta step your game.
I'm here to see Lucki, and one thing about my ex is he's really fucking lanky and skinny.
Lanky and skinny? What would it be?
One word to describe my ex.
It could be anything, chop, anything. Chop.
Lame, scared, boring, rookie, whack.
Keep it silent.
What's something that you talk on stage that you like catches as a red flag?
What sent me sports quotes?
Sports clothes?
Sports quotes.
How long have y'all been talking?
What? Just for the summer.
Summer? Okay. Ain't bad.
Yeah.
I mean, hopefully that goes well too, because sometimes, you know, you don't want to be led on and everything.
Yeah.
And hopefully by the end of the summer, you know, you actually be his girlfriend.
I have a boyfriend.
You never worked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we gon' go take his ass out in broad day. I'ma go flex on a bitch, go stunt on a bitch.
bitch, I'm sorry, I'm having my way. You ain't with my team, you ain't with my gang, little nigga, get the fuck on my face. I bought a Glock in the party and shoot at the ops, they dance like B2K. They want smoke, I'm like, okay. Take this hats out. Let's go! It's more money out here to be made, bro. None of these bitches get saved. I take this drip to my grave, bro. Dash on these bitches, I'm great. She on my neck like a groupie, ho. I had her before I was paid. These niggas like better catch the ball. Trying to keep up with my grade. I keep them racks on my nightstand. I don't put my trust in no one. I had to go with the right plan. Separate me from the fake ones. I'm popping off like a handgun. Go! Can't hide the truth. I'ma slide right through your roof. Might pop a pill or two. Let them hate we try to dose. Fuck that, we getting loose. Pussy sweet, that's some juice. I slap it like a sage. She a naughty type on the weekend. Perfect night, she gon' let me start the creep. Baby, going offense, I'm playing defense. You on top, I swear that's the perfect sequence. Make the motherfucking noise! I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I fucking love you.
2 hours later.
Wow! Oh my God! Someone call 911!
Fuck, even dude face looked at his ass, hey. That shit funny as hell, fuck.
Gotta get the content, bleed.
What happened to bowling? Come and see the cage. You got one foul. If you do it when you play, it can go. I like God see the way. It could be nacho cheese on a shorty Frito-Lay. I love walking on the streets. That shit to the one side. I'm going to church. Man, damn, I need the first. S-O-S-A-B-A-B-Y. How that pill smell? How that pill smell? We don't know you, boy. Get your ass from around here. From around here. I'm going to some around here. Then they did a little one like cool. At the gun range, sound check it sound where? You want the cool one, the cool one, but the cool where? Say your name, bro. I got it first, man. I'm trying to get my soul still. Oh, my name on the wall, hope it goes still.
Gucci almost to the toe, down to the Prada. You already know. Nowadays, Gucci the same thing as Balenciaga. Let's do it.